Yesterday I went to my brother's daughter puberty function. There I had a very good time with my family and relatives. The dinner they served was excellent. They served all the items on banana leaf, which made me more comfortable to eat, because eating food on banana leaf is very good for health, and also I'm not interested in buffet system. Taking plates in hand and wandering like beggar make me more uncomfortable. So please try to avoid keeping buffet system in any of your function. This buffet system is useful to avoid wastage of food, but nowadays foods are going more waste in buffet system. They served kanjipuram idly, onion Uthappam, Idiyappam vadacurry, bread roll, etc. All the food items they served on banana leaf was delicious to eat. I had a very good dinner after a long time. For this puberty function, rice puttu was very important dish. This dinner made me to feel more satisfactory. If you had any good dinner experience in any of your relatives' function, please share with me. Now enjoy by watching this video. Thank you.